Welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro, the place where we master the latest AI tools to supercharge your workflow. Have you ever looked at a massive stack of boring PDFs and wished they could just explain themselves to you? Today, we are doing exactly that by turning those dry documents into professional narrated videos using Google's new Notebooklm features. Let us get started by opening your browser and navigating to the official Notebooklm website. Once you are there, look for the big plus icon labeled Create New and go ahead and click it. This is going to open up a fresh project where we can begin the magic of AI video generation in just a few minutes. Now that your project is open, you will see various options to import data. Select your boring PDF or document from your computer and upload it. You can also paste a YouTube link if you prefer. Just choose your source and click the upload button to let the system start processing all that heavy information for you. Reading through dozens of pages is a nightmare, which is why most reports go unread. By using this tool, you are not just saving time, you are making content accessible to visual learners. It takes key points from your text and prepares them for a structured narrative that anyone can follow, turning passive reading into an active experience. Once your sources are fully loaded, take a look at the top right corner. You will notice a newly redesigned studio panel that looks very clean. This panel is where Google has placed all the powerful creation tools, including the mind map, audio overview, and the incredible video overview tile that we are here to explore and use today. This is the simplest part of the process, so go ahead and click the video overview tile once. The AI will immediately start analyzing your documents, pulling out the critical data and writing a full script. It is doing hours of manual work in about 10 minutes, giving you a fully finished and narrated presentation without any manual editing. If you find this tutorial helpful and want to stay updated on the newest AI shortcuts, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the SaaS Beast Pro channel grow so we can keep bringing you these deep dives into the tools that are actually changing the game for content creators and professionals everywhere. The customization options here are actually surprisingly robust and fun to play with. By clicking the options button next to the video overview, you can choose visual styles like anime or watercolor. You can even decide if you want a brief summary for a quick update or a more detailed explainer format for your deep learning study sessions. The use cases here are truly endless for everyone. Sales teams can transform dry spec sheets into compelling demos, and students can turn complex research papers into videos to help them study. Even startups can turn a basic business plan into a dynamic video pitch without needing any professional video editing skills or hiring an expensive creative production team. Stop wasting time reading text on a screen and start automating your content production with Notebooklm right now. It is a massive leap forward for productivity and professional communication. Thank you so much for watching this guide on SaaS Beast Pro. Do not forget to like the video, and I will definitely see you in the next one.